看新闻学汉语 Hello, welcome to Mandarin with Yan Yan. In this series of videos, you'll learn Mandarin words in latest news. In today's video, we'll talk about Nanniwan. On February the 9th, the CEO of Huawei received an interview from media around the world. Dan Martin from Agence France Presse asked him, 1年前您说对华为在这些挑战中活下来有信心。1年过去了，您现在还对华为抱有一样的信心吗？ The CEO answered, 我对华为公司生存的信心更大了，而不是更小，因为我们有了更多克服困难的手段。我们开展了南泥湾计划。外国记者可能对南泥湾这个名词不够了解。这个名词实际上就是指生产自救，所以我们不依靠手机也能存活。So what is Nanniwan? Why does it imply self-sufficiency in Mandarin? Nanniwan is a place in northern Shanxi province in Les Plateaux. In 1935, after the Long March, China's Central Red Army arrived in Yan'an, which is about 50 kilometers northwest of Nanniwan. This region became a major base for the Communist Party. Nanniwan is the southern gate of this region. In the beginning, both the Communist Party and Kuomintang cooperated in wars against Imperial Japanese Army. The economy of this region relied heavily on the fundings from government led by Kuomintang. But soon, the two parties broke up. In 1940, Kuomintang not only stopped funding to this region, but also imposed economic blockades. The economy of this region was on the verge of collapse. In 1941, a brigade of armies was deployed to Nanniwan to launch a large-scale production aiming at achieving self-sufficiency. When they first arrived, Nanniwan was almost a wild place with no human being, no house, nothing but wild animals. The soldiers opened up large tracts of wasteland. The next year, the self-sufficiency rate reached 61%. In 1943, the brigade in Nanniwan was 100% self-sufficient. And in 1944, they were more than self-sufficient and could supply food to others. This is the story of Nanniwan. I guess that's why the CEO of Huawei said in the interview, 这个名词实际上就是生产自救。I guess that's also the reason why he named his plan Nanniwan Plan. There are two Mandarin words related to the Nanniwan spirit, and they are very formal words. 独立自主，的无独，了义立，自知无主。It means being independent. 自力更生，自了义立，歌恩耕，施恩生，自力更生。It means relying on one's own effort. The story of Nanniwan became well known because of a song. A group of artists were invited to Yan'an. After visiting Nanniwan, they composed a song telling the story. The lyrics of the song was set to traditional folk melody of northern Shanxi province. 花来的花儿香，听我来唱一唱，唱呀一唱。The ending lyrics is 是陕北的好江南。陕北 means northern Shanxi province. It's in the middle of the Les Plateaux. Its soil is regarded as the most erodible on earth. This video was about my trip to northern Shanxi province, and the place was not far away from Nanniwan. See, I could easily crush the soil. Inhabitants in Les Plateaux historically carved their house into the soil in the mountain, and the house is called Yaodong. Due to lack of water and farmland, and also due to the erosion of soil, Shanbei historically has been associated with poverty. Jiangnan, on the other hand, has historically been associated with fortune. Jiangnan literally means 长江南部, the southern shore of Yangtze River. However, in Mandarin, it only refers to the Yangtze River Delta area. Suzhou and Hangzhou are two cities in this region. And in Mandarin, we say 上有天堂,下有苏杭. We compare Suzhou and Hangzhou to heaven. And the ending lyrics of Nanniwan said, 南泥湾是陕北的好江南. It is the Yangtze River Delta in northern Shanxi province. Alright, next I'll explain some other words in this interview. 信心, 吸引信, 吸引心, 信心. 我对华为公司生存的信心更大了, the CEO said. 我对赢得今天的比赛充满信心。存活，吃文存，喝我活，存活 ，survive。我们不依靠手机业务也能存活 ，the CEO of Huawei said。如果太阳不复存在，那么地球上所有的生命都不能存活。Alright, let's have a quick review of what we have learned today. First, 独立自主、自力更生的南泥湾精神。信心、存活。And two very important geographical locations in China, 陕北 and 江南. Thanks for watching the video. I'm Yan Yan. I'll see you next time.